Good day, Lakshmi Ajay. Today I want to discuss to you a very effective topic called classroom management. How well you can manage your classroom, how well you can make your classroom really effective, and very importantly, how to grab the attention of students. So all these questions get answered here. So if you want to grab the attention of your students, you have to follow the 10 wow points I want to tell to you. Point number one, make the session really interactive. So how can you do this? You have to ask too much of question with your students, make them very busy in that particular subject, ask them to find out some particular subject, something, find it out, or some activity which is related to the subject will do. Point number two, you have to maintain a two-way communication with the teacher as well as the students. This is only possible if the class is really lively. So if your class is really lively, definitely you will maintain a two-way communication with the teacher as well as the students. Point number three, add an activity for the session. So if the session is for 1 hour, you keep aside 10 minutes for an activity. It is well and good if you can add an activities which is very much related to the topic, so that they will get to know about the topic practically. If not, you can just add an energizer, something like that. Point number four, make the low profile student as a representative of the class. Motivate them by giving a leadership quality. So if not all the students are the same, so different students, different ability, different capabilities. So find out the low profile students and motivate them with a leadership quality. Next, add a surprise element in your class. So how can you do this? Again, if the students are really interactive, really lively, and really responding to your questions very accurately, then find out the best students who responded to the class or the day and give a toffee or a surprise element like gift or pen, something like that, so that they will get motivated, and also the other students also will be get motivated for getting that small gift. So if you could do this every day, if you could afford it every day, it is well and good. Otherwise, you could at least do this weekly. Next point is that build a good relationship with your students. See, students have a very different perception. So they will be very lazy, they will be crazy, and they won't listen to you. But think from their point of view. Go with the students, understand what is their problems, and ask them, think in their point of view, and get along with them, and make a good relationship with the students, and make a trust from the students, that definitely help you out in grabbing their attention. Next is delegate some responsibility. So delegate some responsibility in the sense the responsibility should out of your syllabus. So something related to arranging a meeting or giving them some responsibility to students. Let them take their own decisions, so that they can work critically on that particular idea, and also they can put on their own decisions, their own problem solving methods. So they can definitely relate with their real time experience. That will make a very good sense for the students. Next is a very important topic, or very important point I wish to say, is that voice modulation. How well you use your voice. For a teacher, the voice is a powerful tool. So your voice, how you say it to your class, is a very important task. So when you use your voice modulation, it quietly it should be louder. But apart from that, you are supposed to have a very energetic voice modulation, very positive voice modulation, and also that energy and joy should be there in your voice modulation. And if you have that, you can spread that energy with your students, so that they will grab the attention and they will listen to your class very effectively. Next point I wish to say is that lesson plans and some tips for learning. So lesson plans is nothing but make them understand what is the importance of that particular subject which you are teaching. Let them know what you will get if you learn this. So let them understand what they are learning. Before you teach them, tell them what is the outcome of that particular subject, and tips for learning. This is also very important. Add some ideas or add some tips for making their learning very effectively, making the learn so fun. So you can just explain a difficult topic in a story mode or something like that, so that when they can grab the idea of that particular subject very easily. Or add some superheroes or superheroines in the study material, so that they will definitely reaches their mind very easily. And finally, the last point I wish to say is that feedback. Get a feedback done from your students at least quarterly. You are supposed to take a feedback from your students. This will help you out to understand your performance, as well as how the students get to know about the topic, how they understood the topic, everything you get to know. So taking feedback is a very important task in your teaching. So hope you understood the concept about the classroom management. If you use this 10 wow points in your classroom, I'm sure that you can make a classroom very effective and very energetic. Thank you for listening. Have a nice day.